Okay. So historically, March 8th started to be celebrated in retrograde. So retrograde is the former St. Petersburg in Russia. So they are the ones it started to be celebrated there. So so the idea of March 8th is basically to celebrate independence. So this year's March 8th theme is celebrated under Choose to Challenge theme. So that the idea is that from challenge comes change, and so the theme urges the calling out of gender bias and inequality with the goal of making a major change to make things more inclusive. Uh, so gender in health, how does gender affect health? So in general, as you know, women tend to live longer. Uh, than men. So on average, around they